Welcome to the Strayos Academy. I'm Brad Gyngell, and today I'm going to show you a quick way to estimate burdens for a shot that's already been drilled. Before we begin, I should say that the most accurate way to measure burdens is by bore tracking. We always recommend this as the preference, particularly for smaller diameter or angled holes. For more information, see the bore tracking video on Strayos Academy. If it's not possible to bore track, it's still valuable to estimate the burdens, and you can do this from within the drilling design module in the Strayos app. First, we'll create a new shot plan, starting the AB line right over the first hole on the front row and running it all the way along to the final hole on the front row. We'll enter our burden and spacing, and here I'm only going to enter one row because I'm only looking at the burdens on the front row of the shot. You're free, however, to add more rows and check their burdens too. I'll leave the hole inclination at 0 as we're using vertical holes. I'll fill in the other parameters for the shot, including the sub-drill and the floor elevation. Click Apply, and as you can see, we now have a front row of holes. Next, we want to make sure that this drop down up here says draggable together. This will ensure that we drag our collars and toes at the same time. Now, we'll zoom in and drag each hole over the top of the actual hole that we can see on the map. Now that we've finished, to get an overview of the burdens in the shot, we can go to the Report tab here. Now we can toggle on the 3D burdens up here to see the 3D burden lines. If we want more detailed burden information for each hole, all we have to do is double click. We can see here in black the 2D burden numbers, and here in blue the 3D burden numbers. We can set a threshold for minimum burden to highlight any areas that are below this critical level. We can then use the arrows to check along the row and make sure all of our holes are above our critical threshold. I hope this video has been helpful. If you want to find more information or videos like this, please navigate to the Strayos website, which is strayos.com. The link is in the description. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.